By the way, as I previously showed in the earlier video, I can't unscrew that, which means I'm going to have to saw it right here, saw this angle off of it, so I will be able to unscrew it and eventually replace it. There's no other way around it. This piece is glued together, which means I can't rotate it because it'll hit this tube and that one. This is the level sensor for the pan. So when it's even and the pan fills up with water, the level of the water here will rise. It will hit this float switch here, which then turns off the air conditioner. You've got a second float sensor over here when the pan is filled up, which, by the way, it's not even affixed properly. When this float goes up, it also turns off the air conditioner.